Okay, so we're here today in Granada, and the plan is simply to check out the sights and see what it's all about. So yeah, it's really nice. It's my first time in the winter here. The last two were in the summer, and I gotta say, I really like it. It's very different, but let's check out the B-roll. Okay, so I just made it up to the top of the Alhambra, had breakfast, lunch. It was really amazing. I hope you like the drone footage. I haven't shot all of it yet, but inshallah the rest of it will be good too. So here's the drone footage for Alhambra. Okay, so this is the queue to the original palace of Alhambra, and you can see these are all people lining up with tickets, and this is the entrance to the new palace, whatever that structure, and to be honest with you, no one's queuing up to get into there. So there you go. Anyways, let's check out the B-roll. Okay, so this is the end of the tour. I've really enjoyed my time here again in Granada. This is my third time, and I must say it's really nice to see it for the very first time in the winter. It's got a different charm about it, which I really like, and it's really nice to see all the mountains with the snow already, which is really amazing. As usual, the Alhambra is mind-blowing. I really love the interior. It's just one of the places like out there in the world. I've seen so many palaces and castles, and I have to say none of them have got anything on Alhambra. Like Alhambra is on a whole different category. It also leaves me wondering what it would have been like to see the full structure, since a considerable amount of it has been destroyed in order to make way for the current structure, which basically is available for the public to see at all times, unlike the Alhambra, which requires reservations or having to get a ticket on the day, lots of queuing, and you only get a certain slot in order to see the place. On the whole, I have to say the way I feel about it these days is that I think Granada has been very lucky to have had the Alhambra survive through thick and thin. And the reason being is I've seen other locations, like for example Medina al Zahra, which unfortunately hasn't survived and hasn't managed to impress me in any way or form or kind. I'm sure the stories are true about how amazing it is, but in reality when you go there and see it, it's just ruins, I'm afraid. So yeah, Granada, Alhambra, it's amazing because you get to really live it and get to really see what it's like. So yeah, I hope it stays for generations to come. As for this evening, I think it's coming to an end. I'm gonna head back to the hostel and check out the sunset. After that, I really don't know what will happen, so let's check out the B-roll. Okay, so I decided to go for the sunset tour, and this is what we're trying to catch. I don't know how good this is going to look on camera, but in all honesty, it's spectacular. We still have lots of stairs to reach the very top, but I'm looking forward to it. Plus there's lots of weed right now being smelled in the air. Okay, we're almost there. There's the view, and well, this is the view, and there's the church. I gotta be honest with you, there's a lot of people, but the view is definitely worth it. Anyways, let's check out the B-roll. Okay, so where are we exactly, Desiree?
We are in some kind of herbal store
In Granada.
And we are looking at different teas, I guess they are powders, and this is what we came across.
Yes, tell us about the one that you like the most.
So this is called Maca Bio.
See.
Alright, here we can see it. Beautiful powder. And what it treats is fatigue, stress, your libido.
Did you get that, people? Okay, keep going.
Menopause,
That one too.
fertility, and sexuality.
Ticks all my boxes, except the menopause one. And the fertility, maybe. Oh man. Anyways, let's check out the Christmas lights and have some dinner. Let's check it out. This so reminds me of the movie Perfumist. Do you remember that one?
There's a movie called Perfume.
Yeah, Perfume or Perfumist, but it's really, really good. The ending is amazing. So anyways, I think it's enough with this place. We got educated. We think. I don't know, like an old bum. Anyways, we're gonna go through the difficult bit.
Not at all.
Look at her, not struggling. And we're back where we started. Okay, so we're at... There you go. And I think we've chosen our food. What are we thinking?
We're thinking omelet of brains with beans, potatoes, and ham.
So what kind of brains do you think that is? Is it a kind of bean, or do you think it's an animal?
I think it's of the omelet.
One way of finding out. So let's check out the food and the B-roll. Okay, so we've had dinner. How was it?
Delicious.
It was really, really good.
Great meal.
Definitely highly recommended.
Yes. Manuelos.
Manuelos. Yep, see, now we remember the name. And now what we're doing is we're just checking out the Christmas lights, and I gotta say, they're really impressive. What do you think?
They're very, very, very pretty.
Yep. We just can't find that massive Christmas tree, which is like an hour walking from here.
Yeah, it's far away.
It's too much. It's too much.
It's kind of cold.
Exactly. So we're gonna just do the short version for now. So that's it from Granada, and over now.